Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at depth contours and how you can use these to make landfall along a coast. Sail in inland and coastal waters and you'll often find lines of equal depth running along the coastline. You can use these to confirm the GPS for safer sailing. Follow these 3 steps. First, you want to correct your depth sounder to charted depth. Measure the distance that your depth sounder transducer was installed below the waterline. Add this distance to the depth shown on your depth sounder. Next, check an online or paper tide table or graph and correct the first calculation for high tide. Subtract the amount of tide from the first calculation, and this will give you charted depth. Scan your chart for depth curves. Look for squiggly or curved lines or enclosed circles on your electronic or nautical chart. Here you see 3 depth curves which run along the western side of Cape Cod, Massachusetts. On a paper or raster chart, look for a break along the line. Here you see a 90-foot curve, a 60-foot curve, and a 30-foot curve. On electronic navigational charts, the depth along a contour are shown with a halo. This halo serves to highlight the depth along a contour, and it stands out among other depths. Choose which curve you wish to follow, or you may elect to keep your boat between 2 curves. Here we will follow the 60-foot curve to the north to Provincetown Harbor, where we will anchor for the night. Correct the depth sounder as described earlier, then watch your soundings as you approach the coast. Wait until you touch the 60-foot curve and then turn to the north. If you need to beat to windward, use the other 2 curves as limit lines. In our example, we would stay in water deeper than 30 feet and less than 90 feet. Now you know how to use depth contours to make landfall along a coastline. Follow easy sailing navigation tips like these to keep your small sailboat and her crew safe and sound wherever in the world you choose to sail or cruise. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.